Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on sewing trendy snap pants. These versatile pants are perfect for anyone. Let's dive in. Before we begin, gather the supplies: pattern, fabric, interfacing, lining fabric, elastic, matching thread, and snap buttons. Once everything's ready, let's dive into the first step. Cut the fabric according to the pattern, ensuring precise alignment along the lines. Clip notches as indicated, and use a tracing wheel to mark guidelines. Repeat the process for the lining pieces and fuse interfacing onto the lining to add structure. Align the side pocket pieces with the front pants, right sides together. Sew along the side seam using a straight stitch. Flip the pocket over and top stitch along the seam for a clean finish. Align it with the second piece, right sides together, and sew along the curve. Turn the pocket inside out and top stitch the joined seam. Secure the pocket by top stitching it to the waistline and side seam of the pants. Repeat for the other pocket . And press flat. Fold the lining strips in half lengthwise and press flat. Sew the side seams and turn the corners inside out for a neat finish. Repeat for all the strips. Now, straight stitch to join the strips together along the seam lengthwise. Repeat the steps on each lining strip. Align the lining strips with the side seams of the front pants. Fold the hem over the strip and serge to attach it. Repeat for the other side and the back pants. Ensure the hem is folded inward before pressing flat. Align the side seam of the front and back pants by the lining strip. Make a short stitch to join them. Repeat the steps for the other side. Fold the darts on the front pants in half and sew them in place. Press the darts to set them. Align the inseams and serge them together. Repeating on the other side. Align the crotch seams and serge to join them. Press all seams flat for a polished look. Measure the elastic band according to the measurement stated on the pattern. Cut off the excess. Fold the elastic to join both ends, leaving about 1 inch overlapped. Meanwhile, fold the waistband piece in half, aligning both ends together. Straight stitch to join the elastic band. Straight stitch on the waistband end to join. Insert the elastic into the waistband piece. Then, fold the waistband pieces in half, aligning the seam. Straight stitch to join the waistband piece together while having the elastic inside. Switch to a zipper foot for easier sewing. Attach the waistband to the pants, pulling slightly to ensure a snug fit. Double stitch around the waistband for added durability. Serge the seam and press the waistband. Fold the hem inward and sew in place with a straight stitch. Repeat for the other leg and press flat. Attach a brand label to the inner waistband for a personalized touch. Mark the placement of the snap buttons using the pattern. Pierce holes with an awl and secure the snap buttons with pliers. Repeat for all buttons. The trendy snap pants is complete and ready to wear. This tutorial provides all the steps to achieve a professional finish. For more sewing tutorials, be sure to subscribe and share this video.